Welcome to LOT Gaming. We're gonna be doing a video how to make a ping pong game, and we're doing it on Scratch. It is scratch.mit.edu, and then start. And also remember to subscribe and like the video and hit the bell. And to start, we need to press create, and this is like a beginner one, and then go here, like here where it says like sprite 1, delete that, and then go to this one right here next to this cat face, just click there, and then choose whatever background you want for a ping pong game. You also can draw your own, but I like this neon tunnel. This is how you draw your own. You go up and go to paint and click on paint, and then here's a sprite. You can paint a sprite by going up like that, and then now we need a ball, so click this one next to the backdrop one. Backdrop one. Then we have to go like search for ball, or if you see the ball like right here, it's right here. And then you need to get in the ball if you're in the ball, and then do this in events. It's in events. And then go to motion at the top, and then you go to do point in direction and get a point in direction 45, and then go to this one that says control, and then pull a forever out, and then an if out, and put the if inside the forever, and these all need to be connected or it won't work. And then no, actually it's not an if. Sorry guys. Let's get rid of the if by pulling it and then pull it here. Then go to motion, and then move 15 steps, and then go down here to if on edge bounce, and then look, it bounces like that. But if you wanted to make like it changes different kind of colors each time, you need to go to looks and then go to change color, and then look here, it just like turns into like a rainbow. And then if you want a paddle, we need to make a paddle by going back into the sprite library, search for paddle, and then put it at the bottom, not at the very bottom. There's going to be a space for this line that makes it game over, okay? So just leave some space. And then if we want the paddle to move, this is how we're going to do it. We need to pull this out, the events from the events again, this one. And then we need to go to control, and then forever, and then get a set x2, but don't write anything in there. Let's go to sensing right here, and then go to mouse X, put it in here, and then look, you can move like this. You can move like that, it's cool, but you can't move with the paddle. So to make, what did I do? Oopsies, sorry guys. Okay, and then we have to go to ball, and then make another one green flag clicked, and do forever, and then actually go to control and get a forever if, and then get the sensing, and then do touching, paddle, and then you need to do motion, turn 180 degrees, and then we need to get a move, but make it 15 steps again, and then look, we can bounce it, bounce, bounce. And now let's make a score, so when that happens we get more points. Go to variable and make a variable called score. And then you have to change score by 1, and then if we try it, we keep getting score. But look, I got 2 score, and look, I still have 2 score. Why is that happening? Because it's still using what the score we got. So we need to do 1, click green flag, set score to 0. And then look, it's 0. But now we need to make the game over line by doing another choose sprite and search for line and get, sorry guys, that happened, I just did something wrong. So pull the line down here, actually yes, pull this up a bit, and then do it and from events, and then go to control again and get a forever if, and then sensing again. If I'm going too fast, remember you can just pause the video. Sorry, I forgot to say that. Okay, so and pull control stop all. That's the end of my video. And remember, I said this at the start, but I will remind you again. Remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye. Actually, not bye yet, because this is how the game, and then you can just play the game. That's how the game went. Let's stop. Sorry, I'm trying to stop the video. How do I stop the video? I can't stop.